Here are some tips to help you create high-quality content for your YouTube channel. Identify your target audience. Knowing who your target audience is and what they are interested in will help you create content that resonates with them. Plan your content. Create a content plan or a schedule that outlines what videos you will be creating and when you will publish them. This will help you stay organized and consistent. Use quality equipment. Invest in good quality equipment, such as a camera, microphone, and lighting, to ensure that your videos look and sound professional. Keep it interesting. Make sure your videos are engaging and interesting. Use storytelling techniques, humor, and other creative elements to keep your viewers hooked. Be authentic. Be yourself on camera and let your personality shine through. Viewers are more likely to connect with a genuine and authentic personality. Keep it concise. Keep your videos concise and to the point. Most viewers have short attention spans, so make sure your content is easy to digest. Edit your videos. Editing is an important part of creating high-quality content. Use good video editing software to trim your footage, add music and sound effects, and make other necessary adjustments. Optimize your videos. Optimize your videos for search engines by using relevant titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos appear in search results and reach a wider audience. Remember, creating high-quality content takes time and effort, but by following these tips, you can ensure that your videos stand out and engage your viewers. Regenerate response.